Hi children. Now we are going to learn about the cell division. Cell division. Okay. As you learned before in the unit of reproduction, you already learned that when the sperm cell and the egg cell fusing together to form zygote, right? When the sperm cell and egg cells uniting, you will get a zygote. Okay, we already learned this one in the unit of reproduction. Okay, so each sperm cell contains 23 chromosomes. You already know this one, and the egg cell also contains 23 chromosomes. So when this 23 chromosomes of the sperm cell and the 23 chromosomes of the egg cell uniting, fusing together, the zygote will get the 46 number of chromosomes. Okay, this is the basic thing you want to know in the cell division. Then the meaning of haploid. See, here you can see again the sperm cell is a haploid cell, you can say, because the cell with single set of chromosomes, okay, or the 23 chromosomes. Haploid means a cell with single set of chromosome numbers, okay, that's called haploid cell, haploid nucleus. Then another one you can see here, diploid nucleus, a cell with two sets of 23 chromosomes, or you can say 46 chromosomes. Okay, which one have 46 chromosomes? Zygote have the 46 chromosomes. So you can say the zygote as diploid nucleus, okay, diploid cell. And that's the difference between haploid and the diploid, okay. Haploid means a cell with single set of 23 chromosomes, and diploid means a cell with 46 chromosomes. Example, zygote. Now we want to learn the two types of cell division, okay, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is the nuclear division giving rise to genetically identical cells, and in this division the chromosome number are doubled, okay, from the haploid to diploid. Okay, mitosis means the nuclear division giving rise to genetically identical cells. Chromosomes numbers are doubled from haploid to diploid in mitosis. Okay, this is a kind of cell division. Okay, the another kind of cell division is meiosis. In this cell division, it's a reduction division. Okay, the meiosis is the reduction division in which chromosome number is halved from diploid to haploid. Okay, meiosis means the reduction division when the mitosis is doubling. Okay, so that's the difference. Here it's becoming halving and here it's doubling. Okay, you are getting here the genetically identical cells, and here genetic variation happening here. Okay, we can go in detail of this mitosis and meiosis. Okay, see, look here. Can you see the diagrammatic representation of mitosis and meiosis? I already gave this papers to you, notes to you. You can see that one also. Okay, so if you are looking here, mitosis is a nuclear division giving rise to genetically identical cells. Okay, meiosis is the reduction division in which chromosome numbers is halved from diploid to haploid. Okay, then see, if you are looking here, you can see mitosis is the way in which any cell divides when an organism is growing, repairing and replacing. Okay, mitosis is the way in which any cell divides when an organism is growing, repairing and replacing. Okay, and mitosis also used in asexual reproduction. For example, sweet potato plant can reproduce by growing adventitious roots or runners, which eventually produce new plants. If you are keeping a sweet potato plant you can see the new baby plants are coming from that sweet potato itself. That's the kind of cell division called mitosis. Okay, so the asexual reproduction also mitosis is using. Okay, and for growing, repairing and replacing, this is the mitosis. And you can see here how is the process, what is the process happening in the mitosis cell division, mitotic cell division. See, the first one, during this process all the chromosomes in the parent cell are copying. Okay, the first it's called, it's copying. See, you can see here in this diagram, you can see the copy. Okay, copy of this black colored and copy of this white colored, it's, you can see it copying. That's called a replication. Okay, that copying process is called a replication, making a new copy of the same thing. Okay, that's called a replica or replication. Okay, that's called DNA replication is happening. This is the first thing happening, first step happening. Okay, then each copy remains attached to the original one. Then the parent cell split to form two nuclei. Okay, the parent cell split to form two nuclei, each with two chromosomes as the parent nucleus cell. You can see it in the diagram. At the end of the mitotic cell division, the number of cells is doubled and the daughter cells produced are genetically identical to the parent. If you are looking here, you can see the same like the first thing. Okay, so they are genetically identical offspring or babies we are getting. Okay, this is the process of mitosis. Now if you are looking for the meiosis, as we told before, it's the reduction division. It's the reduction division in which chromosome number is halved from diploid to haploid. Okay, and here again you can see the diagram of the meiosis here. Okay, and what's happening here during meiosis, the new cells get a mixture of homologous chromosomes from father and mother. A sperm cell could contain a chromosome 1 from father and the chromosome 2 from mother. There are all sorts of combinations. Gametes are genetically different. Okay, not like mitosis. The gametes are genetically different from the parent cells. Meiosis produce genetic variation. Okay, it's produce genetic variation, different kinds of genetic characters. Okay, if you are looking here again, the first step here also the DNA replication or the copying of the DNA. Okay, the making the replica of the DNA, and then you can see the reduction division. This is the meiosis. You cannot see the same offspring. You cannot see the same offspring like the parent here. It is called genetic variation. Okay, meiosis makes genetic variation because the genetically different offspring we are getting. Okay, genetically different offsprings we are getting in the meiosis. These are the difference between the mitosis and the meiosis. So did you understand the haploid cell, the diploid cell and the two types of mitosis and meiotic cell division?